Hi ladies, it's Cassandra from Beauty Express, and today we are talking about hairology. And for those of you that didn't tune into our last video, hairology is pretty much just the study of hair. We're going to be, during this process, breaking down different hair tips and tricks and stuff to do with your natural hair care as well as hair care for your extensions. For those of you that are wondering, I am completely natural underneath. This is me. This is just the leave out that I have. Extensions are absolutely great way to do protective styling on your hair. So I'm going to start off by talking about some tips for your natural hair, and I'm actually going to start this video off with busting one of the biggest hair myths in Black culture today, and that is washing. Okay, first of all, a big myth is that we can only wash our hair every other week or once a week or whatever, when in reality the more moisture that we put on our hair, the better it is going to be for our hair to grow. Let's talk about why. Your scalp is very important. When you wash your hair and get to scratching and massaging your hair, it's going to create an atmosphere where your hair is going to grow. It's going to stimulate all of the cuticles in your hair, all of the roots of your hair, and it's going to promote healthy hair growth. So washing is very important because you cleanse your scalp and you massage it, and it promotes healthy hair growth. So we should be washing our hair at least twice a week. I know that's a lot, especially for those of you that have the kinky curly type hair, and as soon as your hair hit water, it's boom, because that's how my hair is. As soon as it hits water, it's afro all day long. But it's a great way to start if you're on a natural hair journey or you're thinking about starting a natural hair journey twice a week. African American hair is just naturally a lot drier than European hair or different cultures' hair. Our hair is just a lot drier. So we need to put as much moisture as possible back into our hair. So hair tip number one, wash your hair, wet it, completely submerge it in water at least twice a week. Okay, so that's just my first tip for you ladies. I'm definitely going to be coming back and letting you guys know what's a good regimen, what kind of products we should be using, and so forth. This is all stuff that I've used and I've tried on my own hair with my hair journey that's worked great for me. A lot of the times you're going to have to just kind of play around and see what works best for you. I'm just letting you guys know what worked for me, and I'll suggest it, and hopefully it works out for you as well. So if you guys have any questions, definitely comment in the comment bar. I'm reading all of your guys' comments every day, and I definitely want to know what kind of questions that you guys have to ask, because I definitely have an answer for you. Kiki's going to be doing, my sister, the other half of Beauty Express, she's going to be doing the videos talking about extensions, and mine are going to be about the natural hair care. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up and let me know. I really want to answer all of your questions, and I'm excited. Definitely like, subscribe this, and thumbs up this video, please. Awesome, ladies. If you, again, shout me out, talk to me, ask me what you want. I have all the answers for you. Thank you.